Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our school YouTube channel. I am Shabnam Choudhary and today I am going to teach you an important topic from standard 5th subject maths. And here the topic is angle. I know already you have learned in the previous class about what is angle. So I'm not going to explain about the angle in deep, but before I'm going to start with this topic, I will clear you some basic concept regarding to the geometry. So here the first one is point. The invisible teeny dots gives an idea about point. A dot is as small as you can imagine. Point is the most important concept in the geometry. A point has no length, no breadth, no thickness, no shape or size, yet it shows a definite position. Now second, as you know, line. Many points come together to form a line. A line is a straight path that extends forever in both directions. That is why we draw two arrows on either side to show it never ends. Here the third is line segment. A line segment is a part of a line. It has two distinct endpoints. It does not go one forever. As you can see here the line segment is AB. So you can write as AB or you can write as BA. Next you have ray. A ray starts from one point and go endlessly in one direction only. As you can see here in this ray, the starting point is S and it continues from the point R as the arrow show in one direction. So here you can write this as ray SR. But if you're going to write this as RS, so it is wrong because the starting point, the dot or the point is at S. So always remember how to write the ray. It is from point to the arrow. So SR. So all this concept is already clear to you. So let's start or let's move our new topic, that is angle. This is two ray. What happens when these two rays meet at one common point? But obvious, an angle is formed. So an angle is a figure made by two rays meeting at a common point. So here this is the angle. So the first thing is you have to give or you have to label this angle. So you can give any name. So here I have written as PQR. So how you can read this? You can read this as angle PQR. This is a symbol for angle, so you can say this as angle PQR, or you can say or you can write this as angle RQP. Both the ways you can write PQR or RQP. Now as you can see here one arrow indicates at point Q. This point Q is known as a vertex. Okay, this point Q is known as a vertex, and these two rays that arrow shows, it's known as the arm or side of an angle. Okay, I hope this concept is clear to everyone. Again I'm going to repeat the same thing. The angle, the name of the angle is angle PQR, and when the two rays are going to meet at a common point, that point is known as a vertex and the rays are known as a arm or side. Again quickly we can recall the definition, or we can say what is meant by angle. So the angle is two rays having a common end point. Two rays having a common end point is known as an angle. And what is vertex? Vertex is common end point. And what is rays? Arm of the angle. So I hope these three things are clear to you. Now, suppose here the angle is given and here you have to write the name of the angle, then what is vertex and what is the ray. So, name of the angle. So, as I explained to you, you can write this in the two form. So, you can write either ABC, angle ABC, or if you want, you can write angle CBA. Now, what is the vertex? Here, the vertex is B. And what is the arm of an angle? Here, it is BA, or you can write as BC. As this already I've explained you why you have to write this as BA or BC, because ray, the point is B. B to A, the ray is extended. So you have to write BA and BC. Have a look of this angle. Again, the same method you have to follow. Here you have to write the name of the angle. So you can write as BAC or angle CAB. What is the vertex? Here the vertex is A. And what is the arms of an angle? AC or AB. Not or, sorry, AC and AB. Both the ways you can write this. Now I want everyone to quickly write the name of the angle, then what is vertex, and what is arm of an angle. I hope this three concept is clear to you. How to write the name of the angle, how you going to identify or how you going to write the vertex, and what is the arm of an angle. Now, types of angle. Again, these three types you have already learned in the previous class. So quickly just recall, we have three types of angle. The first one is acute angle. Next we have obtuse angle. And the third one is right angle. Now quickly we will see what is the definition of acute angle, obtuse angle and right angle. So acute angle means an angle has measure less than 90 degree is called acute angle. So from 0 to 90, less than 90 degree, 0 to less than 90 degree, whatever be the angle, the name you can say that name is acute angle. Similarly for the right angle, an angle has measure equal to 90 degree is called right angle. Now this only one, that is 90, that is a straight. So this is known as a right angle. Now what is obtuse angle? An angle has measure more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called as obtuse angle. So I hope this three concept is again clear to you. You have three types of angle. First one is acute, that is less than 90 degree. Second, you have right angle, that is exactly 90 degree. And the third one is obtuse, that is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Now we will move to the next and again the important, that is how to measure the angle. For measuring any kind of angle we have to use some instrument, that is, as you can see here, the first one is known as a protractor. Then we have scale or you can say ruler, and but obvious our pencil. So with the help of this instrument we can easily measure the angle or we can easily draw or construct the angle also. So let's start. Okay, before explaining how to measure the angle, let's quickly we'll see what is meant by protractor. As you can see here, this is a protractor, or if you're going to observe this protractor, so here 0 is indicated on both the side, that is left hand side also and right hand side also. Why this? It's depend on the position of the ray, whether it is on right side or whether it is on left side. So when the ray is on right hand side, you have to place the center. You have to place the center of the protector on that vertex, and you will going to start measuring from the right side. But if the position of the ray is on the left side, same method you have to follow. You have to place the center of the protector on the vertex, and you're going to start from the left hand side. Okay, now we will solve some problems, or we can measure some angle based on that. So here one angle is given and you have to measure the angle. So what is the procedure? What is the step you have to follow? There are very simple steps to follow the measure of the angle. So as you can see here, one angle is given and you have to measure that angle. So what is the first step? The first step is you have to put the center of the protector on the vertex Q. I already explained what is meant by vertex. So vertex Q, you have to put the center of the protector. As you can see here, I put the center of the protector exactly on the vertex Q. This is the first step. Now what is the second step? After doing this step, the second step follows that arm Q is on the right side. Now as you can see in the picture, QR is on the right side. So you have to count from the division from right. Okay, that means from 0. As you can see, the arrow indicates. So you have to start from the right hand side. Then you have to mark the position where the point exactly the ray meet, that you have to point the position, and then you will going to write the measurement, that is PQRS 62 degree. As you can see in the diagram, thus ray QP indicates the measure as 62. So here the angle PQR is equals to 62 degree. I hope this concept is clear to you. Again, just follow the same step. Again, here one angle is given. So what is the first step? You have to put the center of the protector on the vertex Y. So I have, as you can see here, I put the center of the protector on the vertex Y. Then here the position of ray yx is left hand side. So what you will going to do, you will start from the left hand side, or you can see the division from the left hand side, and you will going to mark. As you can see, the arrow indicates and it is exactly 50 degree. So how are you going to write the measurement? As angle x y z is equals to 50 degree, or if you want you can write this as also angle z y x is equals to 50 degree. And students, this 50 degrees indicates which type of angle? Correct, this is a acute angle because it is less than 90 degree. Now again one more angle is given. Same method you have to follow. Put the center of the protector on the vertex S. Again here the position is on the left hand side. So we're going to start the region from the left hand side, and you're going to mark that. And here the angle is 130 degree. So angle RST is equals to 130 degree. So it's very simple. Just you have to keep the position of the protector in the accurate place, that is on the vertex, and just after that you're going to see whether the ray is on the left hand side or right hand side. Now the one of the most important thing, how to draw an angle if the measurement is given. The earlier one is what? You have given the angle is given, you have to measure. But here, what is the procedure? What you have to do? Measurement is given, and according to that, you have to draw an angle. So again, here you have to follow a certain steps. So let's a question. Here it is. Draw an angle of 45 degree. Okay. So what is your first step? It's simple. First step is you have to use ruler to draw a ray and name it. Suppose SR. It's up to you. There are 26 alphabets, so you can write any alphabets. Here I have written SR. So the first step is you have to use a ruler to draw a ray and name it as SR. So here this is my ruler. With the help of pencil, I will going to draw a ray. After drawing a ray, I will give the name this as SR. This is my first step. Now we will see what is our next step. Step number 2. Step number 2 is place the center of the protector or center point of the protector on the vertex. Here the vertex is S, such that 0-degree line coincide with SR. As you have done in the for measuring the angle, same step you have to follow here. You have, when you after drawing or after drawing the line, also not line, ray SR, what you have to do, you will place the protector, central point of the protector on the vertex SR. Okay, then count the division starting from 0 near point R. And here as you can see, the point R is on right side. So you have to start, and how much angle is given? It is 45. So with the help of pencil, you will going to mark the 45 degree. As you can see here, I have marked with the help of pencil, and I have start from the right hand side, and I have marked as 0 with the help of pencil as 45 degree. After that, remove the protractor and draw ray and name it as SD. As you can see here, what I have done, I have removed the protector, pencil pen, and I have drawn a ray and I have given the name as SD. And the last step is write measure of angle as 45. So the final is angle DSR is 45 degree. Okay, chalo, let's draw one more angle. You have to draw an angle of 80 degree. The same method you have to follow here. Take a ruler, take a pencil, then you have to draw one ray, and according to you will give the name. Let the name will be BC. Okay, or if you want you can give some other name. Now what is the next step? Next step is you have to place the protector central point, that 0 degree, adjust in the vertex. Suppose you have given the name as BC, so here the vertex is B. So you have to adjust this. Now as you can see here, again our ray is on right hand side. So take a pencil and mark on 80 degree with the help of pencil. After that you will going to remove protractor, and with the help of pencil and scale you will going to draw another ray that cuts the point that you have marked all in a, that cuts the point. Then you will going to give the name. I have given name as a DSR. It's up to you, and you will going to write the measurement as 80 degree. I hope this construction is clear to everyone. These two angles are acute angle. Let's try to draw some more angle. This is a obtuse, that is a 130 degree. So what you're going to do here, same method you have to follow. Ruler, then with the help of pencil you will going to draw a ray. If you want you can draw on left hand side also. Then you will going to remove, then you will going to place a protractor in the correct position, that is on the vertex. Then here you will going to mark as 130 degree. So from starting from right hand side, take a pencil and mark as 130 degree. It start from the right hand side because the direction of the ray is on the right hand side. So same method you have to follow. Remove protractor, take a scale, take a pencil and draw a ray like this After that, remove the pencil, scale and give the name. I hope procedure is clear to everyone. It's very simple, but the main thing is position of the protractor. So after that, the main thing you have to write the name. So DSR is 130 degree. Angle DSR is 130 degree. So thank you everyone for watching this video.